people! Welcome back to MommyRoomREDO, a show created to help you moms design homes that you'll love and your kids will enjoy. So, what are we going to be doing in this episode?
We're going to be talking about 8 activities you can do with your family for very low prices.
We'll also announce the fan favorite for the MommyRoomREDO Linen Closet Roundup.
So stay tuned.
Make music. We're not the Jacksons, but music keeps us together. We all take music lessons at school, and Mom finds ways for us to perform at home too.
He's got the whole world in his hands. 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 He's got my father and my mother in his hands. He's got boy and my brothers in his hands. He's got my friends and my cousins in his hands. He's got the whole world in his hands. Bye, guys. No! Why did you...
Play games. On a regular basis, our family gets together to play games. It's a way for us to connect for free. We play all types of games, including Uno, Codenames, and Catan. And most recent, we started playing Spades. Miles and I lost that game, but we'll beat them next time.
Create a family vision board.
A family vision board helps parents and kids set goals for the year. You can use magazines, newspapers, and mailings to clip images for your vision board. Set a plan to help your family's dreams come true.
Go bike riding. When I grew up, bike riding was big in our family. In fact, my dad taught all 3 of my children how to ride. Every time we get a chance, we put our skills to use.
Cook together. Now we take turns baking dinner. We also do fun things like try recipes for Christmas. Check it out!
So the colors kind of mix into this marbly color, but it looks really cool and I really like it, so we're gonna just roll with it. So now we have to crush these peppermints and I'm gonna show you how you do it. This is really an aggression.
You will crush the peppermints down my countertop.
Okay guys, now you pour the pegs, or if you have big ones, just pour it over the white chocolate.
Thank you. Not with your mouth.
Okay guys, so now we're gonna put it in the fridge to freeze.
To set.
To set.
For 20 minutes.
For 20 minutes. Peace out.
Take a course.
When I was growing up, Mom and I took martial arts at the community center. It was about $20 a class and we had a blast. Here's a pic of our graduation where we earned our yellow belt.
Face painting. This is a great way to have family fun. The key is for the parents to paint their faces too.
Start a family tradition. We have a few traditions in our family. For example, we take Easter pictures in the exact same spot every year. Another one, when the kids were younger, we'd paint the school rock for their birthdays. Now, we go to the Ballantyne Resort's gingerbread competition over the Christmas holidays and vote for our favorite entry. Kids act like traditions are corny, but they'll appreciate the memories. I know I do. Here's a bonus tip. A great way to have fun with the kiddos is to help them participate in a service project. Our family participated in a program sponsored by my employer, where we made thank you cards for nurses, police officers, and other first-line responders. To participate in a similar effort, simply contact your local medical facility to find out if they accept cards, or search online for a program like the one sponsored by the University of California in San Francisco. They're pictured here.
Hey again, Danielle here from BumbleMaid. We are the creators of O-Sheets, and we are one of the sponsors of the MommyRoomREDO Linen Closet Roundup. We'd like to thank everyone for participating and sharing their linen closet organization ideas. We'd also like to thank everyone who subscribed, liked, and voted on their favorite linen closet. Today, we are announcing the viewer favorites in the MommyRoomREDO Linen Closet Roundup. Congratulations to Pearl Island, who came in first place, and another congratulations to Black Tie, who came in second place. Our first place viewer will receive 4 complimentary O-Sheets, and our second place viewer favorite will receive 2 complimentary O-Sheets. All participants will receive 1 complimentary O-Sheet in whatever desired color. We'd also have a $5 off coupon good until the end of May towards any purchase of O-Sheets. You can view us on Etsy, search for O-Sheets, and enter coupon code OSHEETREDO21. That's OSHEETREDO21. Again, we'd like to thank you all for your participation in the MommyRoomREDO Linen Closet Roundup.
There are so many ways to have fun with your kids, and you don't have to spend a lot of money to do it. If you have more tips, please add them to the comments below.
Thanks for tuning in.
Be sure to like,
Share.
Subscribe.
Hit that notification bell and comment down below.
Take care.
Peace.